Hi everyone, here we've got Vernee M5 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it. And as you can see here, we've got the suggestions section, and right here we've got the screen lock. So actually my device just suggests me to add my fingerprint to it. If you cannot see those suggestions, if for some reason your device don't want you to add your fingerprint to its memory, no worries, we can do it manually. So all you have to do is simply scroll down and find the personal section. Now let's tap on the security, and here we've got the fingerprint option. Now your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint, you will be able to authorize purchases or sign into apps. So all you have to do is simply tap on continue. Now you have to choose the backup screen lock method. So it is because for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will be still able to unlock your device and you won't have to go through the whole hard reset operation. And now you can choose the pattern, pin or password. So all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and I will pick the pattern. So let's tap on it. Here we've got the secure startup option. So if you'd like to also enter the pattern to actually start the device after turning it off, then you can tap on require pattern, but I don't want to do it, so just tap on no thanks. Here we have to choose the pattern, so let me draw it, continue, redraw it and confirm. Now we can decide what kind of notifications we'd like to show on the lock screen. So we can show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. And just make sure that the option you'd like to use will be marked. So I will pick to hide sensitive notification content. It is marked, so I can tap on done. Now we have to find the sensor, and the fingerprint sensor is located just on the back of our device. So let me put my finger on it. But firstly, tap on next. Now we can put the finger on the sensor, and we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. Try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition. And as you can see, we just added the fingerprint to it. Whenever you can see this icon, you will use the fingerprint for identification or authorize a purchase. So now we can go back, and as you can see here, we've got one fingerprint set up, so we can tap on it. Obviously, we will have to enter the pattern we just set, and all we can do in this section, we can simply tap on the finger 1. This is the finger we just added. We can rename it if you'd like to, or delete it. So let me rename it, and this is a very cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added. Thanks to this you can recognize them. So if you'd like to add another, just tap on add fingerprint. If not, we can finish right now, and let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device, and let me put my finger on the sensor. As you can see, the pattern required for additional security, so let me enter the pattern we just set, and as you can see, the phone is unblocked. Let me try again, and as you can see, you can unblock your device only with a fingerprint. I don't know, I put my finger in the wrong direction or whatever, because it didn't detect it. So as you can see, everything works. We just successfully added our fingerprint to the Vernee M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.